My name is Adrienne Kendall, and I am from Southwest Virginia originally, about 4 hours from here. I'm a mom. I have 2 teenage girls, and I have a cat and some chickens, and I like gardening, outdoors, and I've been in the customer service for over 20 years, so I definitely enjoy helping people find their homes and just being overall in the customer service field. For customer service, I've always worked for my family. My husband and my father-in-law has owned an appliance repair company. So I've done the paperwork, billing, dealing with customers on all the problems that may arise. So I'm definitely a good problem solver and just wanting to try something different. Being 20 some years in one field, just wanting to expand and do something different for a little bit. I like helping others. Like everyone else, I always love looking on Zillow, checking out houses, seeing how people design their homes. I like to watch the market and see what houses are going for. I just really like the whole aspect of it, the freedom of being able to be your own boss. Well, I pride myself in being very friendly, so I don't want to come off like aggressive or anything like that. I do like to walk everyone through step by step. I'm very detail oriented, so I always want to know every detail of a process, what's going on. So I try to explain everything step by step so people can understand and not feel overwhelmed. In fact, sometimes I feel like I'm older than what I am because I love all the grandma type activities. I like crafts like knitting and crocheting and cross stitch and stuff like that. So I think I'm an old soul